Please ignore my background. It's a little bit messy because I'm like, why not? You're very much at home. But never mind. Hello and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am in the mood for doing, a summer friendly sweat proof makeup for any small event that you're attending, be it a birthday or any occasion or any, puja you're attending. So come on, without any further ado, let's begin. My skin is well prepped, so I'm gonna go with the Inside 3 in 1 primer. It's a beautiful oil free silicone primer. Up next comes the Mars Cover Ranges Concealer Palette. I'm gonna conceal it, I'm gonna correct my skin wherever necessary, and I'm gonna blend it with a damp beauty sponge. Now it's time for highlighting. As you can see that I'm using a light shade from the very same palette to highlight the higher points of the face wherever necessary and blending it with a damp beauty blender. Having said that, I'm moving forward with the contouring with a darker shade to make the face look more chiseled and more well shaped. And the very next step for this is the Blue Heavens Kiss and Blush Lip and Cheek Tint. Wherever necessary, we're gonna apply that and I'm gonna blend it smoothly with the damp beauty blender. Trust me, it's really beautiful and affordable. Now, having said that, it's time for baking and setting the face with a loose powder. Here I'm using Europe Girls HD finishing powder. It's in the shade 040 Butterscotch. It's really, really very nice. I could say that. Like, it melts so good, it fixes the makeup so good, of setting it all over my face very well, especially the under eye area. And coming up for the eyes, now we have the Pretty All Set palette from the You Can Be. And yes, it is a very big palette. As you can see, I'm struggling literally. So, yes, you have everything, from glitter to shimmer. And, you have contour, you have highlighter, you have blushes. So, I'm going to use that very particular palette to do whatever I've said. I'm going to basically do bronzing, followed by I'm going to do a beautiful blush and also the highlighter from the very particular palette. And yeah, we are pretty much good to go. Since our base is set, let's move forward with the eye makeup. Here I'm tightlining my eyes with a black kajal from the Blue Heaven. And yeah, this kajal is something that I absolutely love. You can use any kajal of your own. I'm using a green kajal from the very same brand to pop in some colors to the lower lash line. And now using Nika K's Lucky Charm. It's a green color palette. It's very beautiful. Using this particular shade, and I am mattifying it down so that it stays in good place and it doesn't smudge too much. As you can see, my eyes are done and so are my brows. Yes. Now, almost the look is complete. Now I'm going to move on with the lipstick. Now I'm now using a brown lip liner to line my lips. You can use any brown liner of any company, no issues. And after this, I'm gonna apply the L18's this beautiful shade. It's called Brown Clay. It's B94. It's a very beautiful brownish pinkish tone lip color. It looks pink on the camera, but it turns brown once it mattifies. Trust me, you can buy it and you can swatch it and you can see it's such a very beautiful color. It literally accentuates my look. It looks so pretty, and yes, it has now my everyday essential, so I just cannot go do anything without this. And this is the final look. I hope you all liked it, and if so, please not forget to give it a big fat thumbs up. Also, do subscribe if you're new, and I come up with new videos every week. So till then, stay good, stay safe. Bye bye.